Hi everyone. Welcome to Daily Speak Pro. Today we are going to practice English with simple sentences you can use when talking about your morning. I'll say each sentence first. Listen carefully, then repeat it with us. Don't worry about speaking perfectly. Just try to say each sentence clearly. Alright, let's get started. Good morning. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good today. I slept well last night. I woke up a little early today. I usually wake up around 7. Sometimes I wake up before my alarm. But most days, my alarm wakes me up. I don't get out of bed right away. I usually stay in bed for a few minutes. Sometimes I check the time on my phone. Then I finally get out of bed. I open the curtains. I like getting some natural light in the morning. It helps me wake up. Then I make my bed. It only takes a minute. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. That really wakes me up. Then I drink a glass of water. I always feel thirsty in the morning. Drinking water helps me feel fresh. Sometimes I stretch for a few minutes. It feels good after sleeping all night. I take a few deep breaths. Then I'm ready to start my day. Let's keep going. I usually take a shower in the morning. I don't like taking a very long shower. I try to get ready quickly. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear something comfortable. If I'm going to work, I get ready for work. If I'm staying home, I keep it casual. Then I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. Okay, I think I'm ready. Now it's time for breakfast. I don't like skipping breakfast. I usually have something simple. Some mornings, I have toast and eggs. Sometimes I have fruit. It depends on how hungry I am. I usually have a cup of tea or coffee. I like having a hot drink in the morning. It helps me feel more awake. I sit down and enjoy my breakfast. I don't like rushing when I eat. But sometimes I'm running late. On those days, I have to eat quickly. We've all had mornings like that. After breakfast, I clean up. I put everything back where it belongs. Then I check my phone. I look at my messages. I see if anyone called me. Sometimes I reply right away. Sometimes I leave it for later. I try not to spend too much time on my phone in the morning. But honestly, that doesn't always happen. Sometimes 5 minutes turns into 20 minutes. Then I realize I'm getting late. So I put my phone down. And I get back to my morning. Now let's talk about plans for the day. I usually think about what I need to do. Do I have a busy day today? Do I have any meetings? Do I need to go anywhere? Is there anything important I need to finish? I like knowing what my day looks like. Today looks pretty busy. I have a few things to finish. First, I need to get some work done. Then I need to make a phone call. I also need to reply to a few emails. I might go to the store later. There's nothing urgent, so I'm not too worried. I'll just take it one thing at a time. That's usually the best way. Now let's practice some sentences about leaving home. I'm almost ready to leave. Let me check if I have everything. I've got my phone. I've got my keys. I've got my wallet. I think that's everything. Wait, where are my keys? Ah, they're right here. That happens all the time. Okay, now I'm ready. I put on my shoes. I grab my bag. I turn off the lights. I check the door. And then I leave the house. It's a nice morning outside. The weather feels good today. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. I think it's going to be a nice day. I'm in a pretty good mood this morning. I hope the rest of the day goes well. Now let's practice a few questions you can use when talking about your morning. What time did you wake up? I woke up around 7. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept pretty well. Are you still tired? A little, but I'm okay. Did you have breakfast? Yes, I did. What did you have? I had something light. Did you have tea or coffee? I had a cup of coffee. Are you busy today? Yeah, I've got a few things to do. What are you doing this morning? I'm getting some work done. Are you going out today? Yes, I'll probably go out later. What time are you leaving? I'm leaving in about 10 minutes. Are you ready? Almost. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm ready now. Let's go. Great job. Now let's practice some very common morning expressions. I'm still waking up. Give me a few minutes. I'm running a little late. I need to hurry. Where did I put my phone? Have you seen my keys? I can't find my wallet. Ah, here it is. I'm almost ready. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Just give me a second. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm not very hungry. I could use some coffee. I need to get going. I don't want to be late. It's going to be a busy day. I've got a lot to do. Let's see how the day goes. Hopefully, everything goes well. I'm ready for the day. All right, let's finish with one final round. This time, try to speak naturally and clearly. Good morning. I hope you slept well. It's time to start the day. I woke up early this morning. I got out of bed and opened the curtains. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I drank a glass of water. After that, I took a shower. I got dressed and made some breakfast. I had a cup of coffee. Then I checked my phone. I replied to a few messages. I thought about what I needed to do today. I've got a few things to finish. It's going to be a busy day. But that's okay. I'll take it one thing at a time. I'm almost ready to leave. I've got my phone, keys, and wallet. I think I have everything. It's time to go. I hope you have a great day. And that's it for today's practice. If some sentences felt difficult, that's okay. You can play this lesson again and practice them one more time. A little practice every day can make speaking English feel much more natural. Thanks for practicing with Daily Speak Pro. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.